So we made it. We got our tent up. No? You just want to look at my face? Sorry. And now we're just relaxing, trying to figure out what to do. See, there's our amazing new tent that we finally got to use properly. And this is a view of the campground from up top, on top of the hill. And we just spent the weekend just kind of relaxing around the lake. I mean, I had to drive into town every day because I'm not lucky enough to be able to actually relax. Oh, that was last year, the water level, and then that's this year, the water level. So it's dropped some, of course. But yeah, and I didn't take a whole lot of pictures and video. If I was going to do any commercial shooting, I have to have a permit. But since my channel is not monetized because I don't have enough subscribers, hint, hint, I don't have to worry about getting a permit, and I'm not, and I'm not posting any photos to sell like I have in the past. So, yeah. I mean, it really sucks because I used to be able to go and use the money that I was making to help fund my trips to national parks, but now I don't have that luxury, but that's okay. Okay, so as you can tell, I put together this gigantic flower crown. I'm really excited about. It's massive. I'm going to the Artifice tonight for their Beltane fairy ball. I'm really excited about it. I haven't gone to anything in so long, so it's of course amazing to actually be out of the house. I mean, I have been going to rituals and stuff, but not so much less, formal things where people can just kind of let their hair down or put their hair up in a giant flower crown. Whatever, Anyway, but I am having a blast. I hope that the music doesn't pick up in the background because I'm downtown and it's loud. It's really loud here. I don't know if you can see this whole thing because my face track is on and it's there's your face 10 feet below where you're pointing me. So yeah, anyway, but I started to put makeup on, and then I looked at the temperature and it's 96 degrees, and I was like, yeah, no, I'm not gonna torture myself with that nightmare. So I just put on some lipstick, a little bit of eye goop, and yeah, I left the house. My cat jumped on my face while I was taking a nap, so I have some random little cat scratches going on, which is fantastic. But whatever, who cares? I don't care. I'm here to have fun, and I doubt anybody's gonna give a rat's ass about my cat scratches. Anyway, but happy Beltane, and I hope you have a wonderful whatever it is you do and however it is you celebrate. If you do, or if you don't, whatever, still have a great weekend. Do your thing. By the time I get this up, it'll be Monday probably, so yeah. Anyway, alright, I'm gonna shut up now. Nah, just kidding. I'm not gonna shut up yet. I actually ended up, I did record a little bit of different performances and stuff, but I'm going to leave links in the description down below so you can get to know a little bit more about all of these amazing people. And once again, this was at the Artifice, and it was the May Eve Beltane Ball, and it was a wonderful, wonderful experience and lots of fantastic people. Like I said, I ended up going home at 9:30 because I was up at 4 o'clock in the morning. But I did get to see a lot of friendly faces, familiar faces, people I hadn't seen in several years, and had an amazing time. It was so fun and so nice to get out and step away from all the chaos that is my personal life right now. Anyway, but yeah, so that's what I've been up to lately. I do have some more miniature content coming up for you. I'm working on, I'm starting a fundraiser for St. Jude's. I'll talk about that more in my next video. Also doing Game of Shrooms this year and some other fun stuff. Yeah, so we'll talk about that next time. And I'll see you later. Bye.